back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you when we are always smiling. I've been up for maybe like an hour now. I was just like talking to my grandmother about just some stuff. But first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some food. You know, grandma make her famous cornmeal porridge. You see me? But cornmeal porridge is never complete without what? Drop the comment before I get to the next part. What do you gotta have cornmeal porridge with? Bread. Always gotta have some bread. You know what I'm gonna do with the bread, right? Boom, 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 boom. Perfection, I swear. Alright guys, remember the last time I was here? I showed you the banana tree with the peppers and stuff? Bananas. Alright guys, so pretty much like I got like really caught up like talking to my grandmother. Like one of my friends, she asked me the other day, she was like, yo, you know, does vlogging take away from the experience for you? And it does. It really does take away from the experience. So that's why when your vloggers are vlogging, like appreciate that shit. Cause like we have to be like, you know, filming while we want to really be in that moment some of the times. I think for me, it does really work out sometimes too, because like maybe like 80% of the moment I'm in, but then when I watch back the video, maybe I get the other 20%. But it's worth it because, you know, we're capturing shit. So, you know, it's the same thing for me with my grandmother. Like I wanted to take the camera up and I was like, you know what, no, we're just gonna be talking about some stuff. And we were talking for like maybe like 2 hours, like seriously. But anyway, I'm gonna head down to one of my friends because one of them was talking smack about FIFA. Yeah, I brought my controller with me. I brought it. You know, so we're gonna clear some shit up with that. I really want to take you guys out for lunch. I want to go back to the same restaurant to try out that conch. Hopefully I do get around to that. You understand? Like the day really isn't going the way how I wanted it to go, but as I said, like family time is family time. Guys, if you got your family, your grandmothers or whatever, spend some time with them and spend some time with some real Jamaican food whenever you guys get here.
Because everything did it. If you want to go skate, you can go skate.
Guitar tape, if you want to play the guitar tape, you know what I mean?
Tune up.
Yo, waiting.
Tune up.
We got over some. But it's so clean and all.
And I like
Yo!
Yeah, then I studio vibes. The man I come from far still, remember I studio at the house.
Yeah man.
Is it when I said no the man in rental place and thing.
Sit up on my bed, you know what I mean? Your voice still knows for reach now.
Sure, you say yo, progress. Work hard for anything I get to progress, you understand? Still more to go.
It took me like 5-6 years, but we still reach.
Yeah.
Don't give up.
Lead me through this perilous time. Me know them don't want to see you shine. Man used to take taxi, now man I take plane.
Are them big artists in the bus, sir? Well, I say maybe this is unknown company, something that talk about tank up with the mask and people ask you, oh, if none of your girl, you go take off the mask.
Yeah, man.
Never know, so you say the voice.
That one, yes. I know, you say tank up voice, but I saw there is a song now, but it's not on the tank up voice, yes.
Man.
Lead me through this perilous time. Me know them don't want to see you shine. I'm a fight because man I eat now. Remember the one crap but the Rolex for me wrist now. Them to know I alone bring out. Lead me through these perilous times.
Sure, but there's so long I try to find some real roadside food. I'm trying to find something right now, finally. Oh, I don't know, fish sandwich, that one, regular, like an American thing, but that is the one. So it's raining now a little bit. So I'm gonna get some of the soup. Conch and chicken, conch more. Are the real thing, real deal.
And you have corn in there, holy bastard. How much a million do you get that's the back of like a shot.
To tell him she was in love with a Rasta man. Fire was burning and burning till her
let out what she was holding in, and she didn't know how to tell him she wasn't.
Foundation, lead to the winding station. Love is not your hand, it's by your toe. I gotta make it intro. I spent so much, so much, since I just came from Peru.
But change the look at that. Bang here for start, you know. But change this style.
Yo, so like, that's all like the first me ever. Like I have a lean, you see me? You know, you guys know I'm not really into those kind of stuff, right? But like, to taste it, the kind of shells to the taste, it just tastes like, yo, I'm not gonna lie, I'm drinking my food. I swear, it just tastes like soda with like some cough medicine. Well, that's what it pretty much is. But yeah, feel sleepy. But yeah, that's a new thing at Jamaica now, I realize. Cause even my friend Hakeem, Kush, he's one of those type of vloggers that just all about like just trap music and all that, you see me? But that's what I want to do right now, just watching my day with the like the production and thing. Like how you learn them something, like, you see me? All this start, how you know if you call right now beer figures and beer digital things you best I understand shit what going on.
Yeah.
Like how you learn them something.
I like experiment, like, you know, try till you understand more and more. You know what I mean?
What?
You know, just go overnight. More time, more experience, more knowledge.
True.
That's all, just knowledge at this time.
So what you do right now,
But
exactly.
this called mixing. You know that song, yeah? You have potential, so I try to see if we can get it with more potential right now. Put some more,
Effects point and thing.
some more time-based effects, you know. Like a delay and reverb and, you know, like something that you sound like it been through something. You know, just sound flat.
True.
Yeah, so that we will create now, so. Take a long time, but just watch. I'm going to fast forward, so right.
Mad.
Machine now, no. You can't double, you can't do over nothing.
Real classic.
So Black Man could have bust. And I say my famous.
No, we just make one somebody singer just change up it. Other part, the next part, cut.
Mommy said DJ Frost, long time on a journey to the street.
That no. Yo. I want mix it up. Make sure if you refrain from profanity. I'm killing people with vanity. It's like
Yo, I swear, I'm in the studio. Man, I'm smoking, I feel like I smoke. Swear, second hand. At its best, but we're there, so right now I try to find some real street food, you know what I'm saying? Some jerk chicken. And that me realize, because when me a little boy I grow, I never see them like go over to build up nice and thing and all stuff, I'm not gonna lie. Where's the essay thing there? So if you're there, I walk cooking food then. Where I go on next then? Oh wow. Yo, I never know so much places so I sell food back so to a bad man. Swear. It's a good look right there, so still real street food.
Fish there?
Yes, sweetheart.
Separate?
Yes.
I'm gonna buy my phone out of the pan. I want to see phone come out of the pan, you understand? You see, thumbs up. Mr. CB. So I'm gonna see that.
spot that on.
Leg on tie for me.
Yeah? There. One go, my Jana. Leg on tie.
Yeah. want leg pan.
What's that?
Yeah. I don't know, jerk chicken is a typical thing in Jamaica, like whenever you come here. Well, this is not necessarily like jerk chicken, it's like pan chicken, you know what I'm saying? It's really good, sir. Yeah, for the whole day I eat street food, but I think like it's one of the best ways to actually get introduced to a country's culture, like having the food from off of the streets. I mean, nothing no commercialized or whatever. I realize a whole heap of people got that, so everybody's trying to get something to eat. Back that way, same thing. And everyone trying to get something to eat. Like all the time, like all old people sit down and say eat same way. See, they free that. Hey man, real life. So because I want to try everything, well not everything, but most things. This is why I said I order a small pork and rice, that's it, you understand? So cause the jerk chicken, now when in Kingston, the jerk chicken you get like, they get bread with it. But I want some rice because I'm hungry, you know what I'm saying? So I'll get some pork with that rice and peas and then mess with that jerk chicken up there too. Big one. Man, I get cut up. Boss, make sure them get 5 more minutes and everybody cook it good enough. So I'm gonna start out it the right way, so that
Pepper ketchup.
yeah man, pepper, ketchup, everything. When I remember the vlog there, I was telling you guys that we used to go over one house and no matter what, the man always share the food. I him say my mate thought, but remember I used to go over here. If I get dinner, I eat dinner in my yard, the man them always, you see me? Look out for me same way as eat, so. Welcome to the vlog. Well, I kind of show them the town, you know? For those who probably new to the vlog, this is where I was born, you know? Falmouth, Trelawney. But it looks a lot different than when I was here. It's a lot more tourist friendly. Because before like cars were coming to the streets, no? But now they pretty much lock it off like a little Venice or something like that. Pretty much it, you know? Everybody out here eating. Alright, so then people pretty much chill out here, like after work and things.
Yeah. Because man are different.
Push ups.
Yeah, I mean gym.
Get in the work, gym, out of door, natural, everything good. Yeah man. Went to 2 billion black on him back. Sugar cane just buy a while ago.
Like, yo, that one you have fully for energy night.
That me I say.
You feel energetic.
But there's a name 3 square meal and can't do this. Jado. Right man. See, it's the first thing we're gonna mash down right now. Some pork. You know what I mean? Some pasta and some chicken in the box same way too. You guys know what it is. So in Jamil last thing about cut off the top of the box off my plate. I eat this, you know, I swear to you. Give thanks to see it. Alright guys, so I just ate the food. I try to be really honest on the vlogs. I did not like not one thing out of it at all. When I was in I think when I went to Dream Weekend and I had the pork, yo, the pork there was like really good, but I didn't like anything about it. I didn't like the pork, I didn't like the chicken, nothing at all. But I'm gonna try to get some boiled corn. Usually you can't mess that up. You can't mess up boiled corn. That's soft. So I'm gonna back out in a square again, find the rest what they give with the kung soup. I want 2 boiled corn here. Give me but I'm gonna eat that one.
No, sometimes even Sharon try to find it to no white rice with no type of meat. My body pull up like it never on repeat. A hungry man better smell my brush all the teeth. So they tell me for do it. Cause when I